Hello friends, welcome to the 1Gbits YouTube channel. You have likely also needed to reinstall the server operating system from scratch, either due to a technical issue or to create a new environment. The good news is that it is very easy to do in the 1Gbits dashboard. Let's see how. To do this, go to 1Gbits.com and log in to the user panel. After logging in, click on Services and select the service you want to reinstall the operating system from the list. You will see that the page for that server, with all its settings, will open. This is where we start reinstalling. First, click on the Install option and then Reinstall OS. Select your operating system from the list. The system will ask you to set a new password for the server. Click on the blue key button to automatically generate it. Be sure to copy it and keep it in a safe place. Then press the reinstall button. Warning, here is a point. When you confirm the reinstallation, all previous data on the server will be erased. So if you need anything, make a backup first. As soon as you click on the reinstall button, the installation will start. At any stage, you can see the installation progress by refreshing. You will see that the server status has changed from suspended to online, which means that the reinstallation process is complete. From this window, copy the IP address. Well, the server is ready. To connect to it, open the PuTTY software. Insert the IP in the field and change the port to 6579. Press OK. If you see a security alert, click Accept. Done. Now you can log into the server with the new password, and you have a fresh server at your disposal. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to support us.